Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic, transition time. Have you ever walked from one room to another to get a pair of scissors? And when you get there, you've forgotten what you were looking for. Then you walk back into the original room and the memory comes back to you. Well, you're not alone. Almost all human beings struggle when transitioning from one thing to another. It may seem like we should all handle transitions with ease. But during these times, your brain has to quickly negotiate a number of shifts to start focusing on the next task. For example, your brain has to disengage attention from the current thing, shift attention, then re-engage attention to the new thing. That said, would it surprise you to learn that couples have the most arguments during transition times? And there are 4 times a day that stand out when couples face the biggest transitions. First, when they go to bed. Second, when they get up. Third, when they leave for work. And fourth, when they return from work. So, to avoid conflict during these times and create more harmony in your home, try the following tips. First, have a conversation with one another about your preferred way to soften these 4 key transitions. It's important to make time to connect with each other in a loving and caring way. Do you want to cuddle for a while before you roll out of bed? Do you want to hug and wish the other a great day as you leave for work? When you return home, do you want to greet one another first before you turn your attention to the children or animals? How would you like to say goodnight each evening? Make sure to establish predictable routines that are warm and loving. These routines are important because they become patterns that help bridge transitions. Be mindful of the gentle bridges and notice how they reduce conflict and increase connection. So, until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.